Thinking about removing your Telegram username? Maybe you no longer need it, or you just want extra privacy. Whatever the reason, I'll show you how to remove it step by step. First, open the Telegram app. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner and selecting Settings from the menu. Once you're in the settings, look under Account Info, where you'll see your current username. Tap on it to edit. Now, to remove your username, delete all the text in the field using the backspace key. If you don't want any username at all, make sure the field is completely empty. After that, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save your changes. Once it's removed, Telegram will display none in the username section, meaning your profile no longer has a username. Keep in mind, without a username, people will only be able to find you using your phone number. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Telegram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.